Hey, it's Steven with Curvy Woodworking. I'm coming at you with my porn star mustache. Check out how I made the storage rack for my tools. So for this shop upgrade, we had this old workbench that my dad put together. I think it was back in the 80s. Not going to move an inch. He's got these bolts tied in there and there's tensioning across the whole thing. So it's never going to warp, it's never going to split. But what we did add is add the storage rack to the back of it. So you can see now we can hang up all of our tools. They're all accessible. We have our power bar on top and all little hooks just for small little nicks and gadgets that we'll need in the future. Thanks for watching our video on how we put together our storage rack for our tools. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to subscribe. Also, if you want to see some more videos that we put together, be sure to watch how we put together our Misty Mountain carving based off of the Lord of the Rings.